Hey guys, I'm just quickly record a video to explain to you, what's gonna happen, after you have registered a webinar. If you put your name, email, and mobile into this registration form, and actually, what you need to do, you need to confirm it because actually I don't spam people, and also the email marketing software I use, they require to verify your email. Just make sure the email you give to me, and it is it's not junk mail or it is not a fake mail. So it just means the email you give to me, it is the correct email, and I can send you the valuable information as well. So as you can see, if you don't confirm it, what's gonna happen is, so just in this list, it says unconfirmed. So if your email sent to me, it's not unconfirmed, it's going to be unconfirmed. And what does it mean is, it means that in the future, I cannot send you anything. That means I cannot send you the day and the time of the webinar, and also I cannot send you the training before the webinar as well. So what you need to do is, for some of you guys, I just say you just go to inbox like this. Please confirm your registration. So you're gonna register in this list. So just verify your mail, and then once you verified it, and then basically your list will be here. So then you go to this page, and what you can do, you can share my webinar, and to get a free guide, which is valued $70, or you can join our Facebook group. In the Facebook group, you can ask me any question as well. But for some of you guys, the email may be not in your inbox. Like for this one, it's not in the inbox, actually in the trash, or in the spam or something. Like I got a lot of email label it. Maybe in the spam, or maybe in the trash, or maybe in the junk mail. You just have to find it, like this one in the trash. And I have to find it actually in the trash. So and have to confirm it. So here. So as you can see, this email is not in the inbox. This email actually in the trash. So I have to confirm as well. As you can see, it's in the trash. So what I need to do is, I have to confirm my email. So in the future, your email is not going to be in the trash. So you have to verify your email as well. Then you're going to share and run. So when you finish, then I'm going to see in my email list. Both of them, I'm sure, pretty confirmed now. Yeah, so your email confirmed, and so what does it mean is it says unconfirmed is 0 now. That means that your email has been confirmed. What does it mean is you are able to receive the email I'm going to send to you. So first, the email I'm going to send it to you would be, I'm going to tell you, how you can prepare your webinar registration. What does it mean is just confirm your webinar registration, because the software I use, they ask you to confirm your webinar registration. So that will be on the day 1. I'm going to send to you after 10 a.m. as well. So after that, what's going to happen is I'm going to send another one, basically just remind you again to confirm your registration. So once you confirm your registration, what's going to happen is I'm going to send you a training video, which is going to tell you what's going to expect on the webinar. So what you're going to learn, and what you need to prepare, and why the webinar is different from other webinars you watched in the past. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a few reminders as well, as you can see. And I'm going to send you a few reminders. Just make sure you will, you'll be reminded to get in the webinar. So after that, I'm not going to send you anything anymore. So basically, that is the whole process. Once you confirm it, I guarantee I'm not going to send you any spam or junk mail, and I'm just sending you the information that is what needs to be done. And so if you have any question, I would suggest you go back to confirm your email address. If you have any question, just let me know. And thank you so much.